Please have a seat.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness.
Afternoon.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Witness, for continuation of your testimony before this commission of inquiry, may I remind you that you are still under oath before I hand you over to Madam Chair. Thank you. Madam Chair, I hand over the witness to you for us to proceed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Njie.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Do I proceed? Right. Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson. So we were discussing the audit report 2020-2021.
Akoni aju memenkan wala mo audit report 2021.
And you were referred to page 71.
Ako jele na rafo through page 71 juwe.
And I had read to you the findings of the auditor.
Ako jele anata karang auditor solu ya mengje wala ela kumaka mo benti.
Under the heading suspected fraud.
Ako wala mo ne aju diamo ko be benti wala mo tapale o me alako ya isobita ko wala tamataji.
And this is as a result of deleted transactions at the matrix data system.
Ako ni aju wala mo aketa ku sabati me alako masingo ya ita ni memo data system.
Which resulted to the non-banking of these transactions.
Ako we me ita ni wala mo ale transaction ni menke wo mang almata bank.
The names that featured
Ako told me alongo wol botaje
were Mr. Rajwani,
wala Mr. Rajwani,
Banyuma Sila,
Banyuma Silla,
Amadou Conte, Demba Dem, Mohamed Silla, and one Musa Njie.
Aning mokili coming for Musa Njie.
Now that's you.
And wala mitati, Amira.
The amount
Ako nanga mo ni wala ko.
across your name
Ako ite to bedameng nanga mo mi alongo memfoje.
Is $56,758.
Wala $56,750 is wilitalu wilit warola.
$56,758.
$56,756.
You have 58.
Excuse me, 58.
Let me take it again.
Ako price na ko taga ako taga.
56,000.
56,000. Will it tell Lulu chame ani woro?
$758.
Chame woro la dalasi tell Lulu.
65.
Ani bubutu ta woro ni Lulu.
What is your reaction to that?
Ako yamuna sa tebe men fala
Anjinde mala nyimun teledi ngamra nyimu rates fengold.
For this one, I don't think it's myself. I think this is rate.
Because ngawale realize after.
This is what I realized later on.
I don't think nyimun prundete.
This is not. I don't think it's for me.
Do you know any other Musa?
Ako fo Musa do lo njele. Njie.
No, ndangalo na konte Musa Njie tina.
Yeah, for me, I know I am Musa Njie.
So why do you say it is rates?
Ako muna na iko rates.
Do you know any Musa Njie in rates?
Ako fo Musa Njie do lo mi along rates.
Musa Njie.
No, I don't know another Musa Njie.
So why are you trying to divert to say it's maybe some other Musa Njie?
Ako muna na ike from Bondi.
Is that the case?
Kieto jele fa banko nyame.
Musa Njie woje.
Ah yes, I saw Musa Njie.
Do you not have a receipt in 2020 with the receipt 27237?
Ako fo ima risito so 2020. Akamento number for it.
Not 2020 cash book balbul funding I verify.
You have my 20 cash book, 2020 cash book, unless if I verify.
All right, we will give it to you.
Very well. Please start.
Until 2020 book 3 other single starter world. No 5 is there.
Please come again.
But not 2020 book 5 GDR book didn't tell you mean number start 5. I'm didn't tell again.
For my book, there is nothing like a number that started with 5 for the year
2020.
2020.
Yes.
There is none ticket that start with 5.
GT Armand Intelligence means starter 5.
There's
They
no,
will start with 2 and 3.
all the GTR I have in that book is started 2 and 3, not 5. Ako bara wala fo.
To you again.
Ako I number read ko again.
And you have the audit report with you.
Ako report of an table.
You can verify
Ako ye juve ya haima.
the number we have
Number me alako number me betul blue.
starts with 2.
Was start at 2 le.
The number is
Number ni wolem
27237.
27237.
Serial number.
That is the serial number.
Do you not have 27 there?
No, I don't.
You said you have 2.
I have 2, yes.
Can I please see your card? Were you called at the level of the area council in any investigation panel?
No,
Ako fo ina command area council pro kay ila ko chisisyo.
honey.
No?
The council said in their response that they had an investigation in this matter.
Ako pare ni aju be do kula to memo council wala mem fo wala mo yekol ni ya chisisle.
Funny akiskisi the maltema, the wine didn't informal.
Well, yes, they maybe make that investigation, but not myself. I was not present and I was never been called for.
2020 starts with 29.
Ako ila 2020 casbook started down into numbers will 29.
Ha.
Yes.
Which means if you had used 28 or 27, it would have been in the previous year.
Ako so ibajela ko natra ite ile metul kudu mi ala ko ila number mu 27 kata 28 wobe kila sangi mentambita.
Do you agree?
Ako fo ibe so na wala.
Not 2021 from
Answer the question.
Ako fo iso na wala.
If you had used, I'm not saying you were given receipt books that start with 28 or 27.
Ako ama fo ko buko ewo di the men start at 27 or 28.
But if you have had receipt books started with 27, 28, it would have been the previous year, that is 2019.
Ako misali fe na tara ine buko so the men start at 27 bala 28 wobe kila dum sanjo mentambita
Because
19.
Because 2020 starts with 29.
Ako ila 2020 what that's the dame ngole 29.
And the first entry is the 2nd of January 2020.
Ako andi la first you recording MK la entry wala mu 2nd of January 2020.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Ako mala feje faham.
nga fahamli.
Yes, I do.
Do you agree with that analogy?
Ako ibe so na wala.
Ah, you mean for insonda wala.
Yes, I agree to what you have said.
But we would not know because your 2019 is not here.
Ako barin talon no la bayre 29 buko nyi mantraja.
2019 the auditor level.
It's with the auditors, as I said.
No, I'm not saying it's not with you. I'm saying it's not with you.
Ako akamen fata ma fo mantra auditors sol bulude. Ako bayre ibe gamen to je wo buko nyi mantra bulu.
Ha, we go temple.
Yes, that's correct.
And you have not only had the issue of suspected fraud.
Ako adung amanda nyi na kome ko isopita ko tapale o tabana nyi.
If you turn to page 164.
Ako nita that page 164.
You will see Annex C unpresented market GTRs.
Ko ibaje la ko ye restore biye me alon ko amanna iba bodi wala unpresented GTR receipts.
You will see that.
Ako ibaje la je.
Ha.
Yes.
Are we together?
Ako albet la kile ko di.
Man for that big hold on.
Not yet.
Yes, just take your time.
64, huh?
Yes,
Yes,
page 164.
yes, I'm there.
Do you see your did you see your name?
Ako yeto je jelo.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
And you see that it is said that there were GTRs that were not presented by several collectors, including you, Musa Njie.
Ako ibaje la je yaje jele ko ticket jamale biye me alon ko alma wo yitande andu ila dokula al memu wala mo membe koto memu collecte solti anite fa ko Musa Njie. Ako yo je jele.
GTR minimum present auditoria.
The GTR that are not presented at the auditors.
Yes.
What is the internal audit level?
That depends on the internal audit.
Because ndolkana GTR is some internal audit.
Because we used to take our GTR to the internal unit.
GTR bukadi known to la whilst do people.
You cannot be issued a GTR while you have orders.
Unless there is operation manager you demand.
Unless there is operation when the manager demanded.
But you want to no.
But without that, that cannot happen.
But that again is not correct, sir.
Akonia you for man nati tili tonya.
That would not be true.
Akwate kenola tonyati.
They mentioned or listed the GTRs in question.
Ako woli GTR on safe wala ya safe mi alon ko wol manje.
For instance,
Akonia juve salfe
between to 15th of January 2022.
Ko January karo tilitang ani sama kata tilitang ani bor lulu.
GTR numbers 2993422
Ako GTR aka number solve fote
to 2993424
2993424
were not presented.
Ako wala ma yitande wala manje.
The same month 2993425
Ako karikili ngonyi 299
3425 to 2993450
to 2993450
were not also present.
wala manje.
Again,
Ako kote
in the month of December,
ako December karo
GTRs 3025918
GTR
918
20918
to 3025955
to 309
3025
3025
955
955
were not also presented.
ako wol fana manje.
Again, you have 30225
3025
956
956
to 302
to 302
6000.
6000
The other one is 30273
kodomo 230
273
273
01
01
to 32
to 32
733
733
30.
30.
All the total for all these unpresented GTR
Ako niya jube niya haima ni kaitol wala resitol mel manje niya haima kodomi biye
is 64,700.
wobitala 64,700.
That is the amount
Ako
of
wala
monies you did not declare.
ako wala kodoti wala nangamo me anako itema wo bondi wala ima itandi.
Anyway, ndanga million ni fengo to dal.
Anyway, all I know about this is that
This GTR was presented during audit.
these GDR were presented during the audit.
Wala na kas bugo bale audit ya stampo keje.
This is why, or this was why, my book was audited and stamped
Katandi kontata audit le andunga joli.
to make sure that I have presented the book to the audit and
So
it was paid.
GTR on tolka di internal audit lela.
But this GDR we used to give them to the internal audit,
Wala la responsibility mo purka di external audit.
but they are responsible is to pass them to the external audit.
But there is no GTR intended no means submit.
But there is none GDR or nothing like a GDR that I did not submit.
Now, in this period, the month of January 2020,
Ko January January Karo 2020.
where were you paying the money that you collect?
Ako kodo ika mental empoto ika ojonu mindole.
Can you cashier there?
I used to pay to the cashier.
And who was the cashier at the time?
Ako jumale nung cashier ti wado.
Actually, no mind mama jumano cashier in Aden.
I cannot remember exactly who was the cashier at the time.
How is that possible?
Ako be kero la nyari le.
Oh my being natala.
I forgot the person.
Now, let me give you back your cash book.
Ako iba ta kasbo killing on deal.
Okay.
Now, if you have gone to the cashier
Ako nata itada cashier ya.
and you reconcile with the cashier,
Anduje alnata kul hay manyola.
and it is confirmed that the monies are intact,
Anduje alnata jago kodo ni nangamo le akita wala nyam.
what will the cashier issue you?
Ako cashier mune detail.
Aba receipt already lana.
I'll be issued with a receipt.
Do you have that receipt on the first page?
Ako first page for you receipt o yimbijele ba.
Receipt juma kili.
Which receipt?
The one the cashier will give you.
Ako cashier jantamen dilela.
Ha.
Yes.
Now, if you go to the auditor
Ako neta na auditor ya.
and you are audited,
Ye audit.
will the audit write on your cash book?
Ako fo auditor baka akasafero ke ila cash book auto ba.
Ha aka stamp le.
Yes, you do stamp.
Is that stamped?
Ako fo do ya stamp le ba.
Ndala buko be stamp tale.
All my book is stamped.
Is that one stamped?
Ako jinkai do stamp le ba.
Ha.
Yes.
Who stamped it?
Ako jumale stamp.
The auditors
The auditors.
Which auditor stamped it?
Ako auditor jumale stamp.
came to the auditor.
The KMC auditor.
Which of the auditors?
Ako jumale killing.
No, I don't know Sanneh because it's Seattle Minuka Nabugol you.
I cannot know that off here because it's many auditors who used to stamp.
And he told you.
And their names are not there.
How many auditors do you know?
Ako auditor jelle.
I know 4 auditors.
I know 4 auditors. Yeah.
What are their names?
Ako ito.
Basiru Njie.
Go ahead.
Hadi.
Yes.
I think Binta.
That's 3. Binta what?
No, I don't know their full name.
Said Basiru Njie number 1.
Yeah,
And number 2 is?
Binta,
And then?
Fatu Songo.
Now, the green writing on the cash book, what is that?
Ako safero membe cash book oto jamba cheroñi. Ako muneti.
Unpresented GTR.
Unpresented GTR.
What does that mean?
Ako way muneti.
GTR on me mantandi.
The GTR that does not been presented.
Good. So, is it not the case that if you are given a GTR, you must record it in your cash book?
Ako fo wabanke o nyama ko ni GTR di like record ila cash book.
GTR buka record cash book.
No, we don't record GTR on the cash book.
What do you record in it?
Alkamene record
The only thing we record from the GTR,
the only thing that we do record is that when it is issued to us, to take it to the working place.
Nibita submission.
When you are going for submission,
Yela transaction from the GTR in the cash book.
You record all the transactions that you do on the GTR.
Why did they write there unpresented?
Ako muna na yasafe you unpresented.
I mean, what council land answer because nothing the council land.
That council also the position to answer that because for me I hand over them to council.
Turn to the next page.
Ako ta nyato kado. Ako kaito element.
You also have unpresented.
Ako je varaye on unpresented.
Clearly written there on your cash book.
Ave cash book also.
Okay, cash book.
Yes.
Yes.
The same with the next page as well.
Yes.
Several pages.
Several pages. Yes.
It says the GTRs were not presented.
Yes.
Can I have the GTR? I would ask that you be given the manual, the financial manual.
Ako sign, wala friend na wala financial manual dila.
Please turn to page 61.
Yes, I'm there.
It says this is the subsidiary cash book, section 905. That this is the cash book to be used by employees charged with the receipt of revenue. Can you please interpret that?
Very.
Subsidiary cash book.
Ako je keta cash book niya long ko fana mo subsidiary cash book.
That this is the cash book to be used by employees
Ako je nem cash book ore niya long ko do mula lulu nyanta wole tamandila.
charged with the receipt of revenue.
Adum wo wecha la ni receipt ol niya long ko revenue receipt na mo la receipt ol.
And who are required to make lodgement to the main cashier.
Anu wole yanta fenke lodgement oti niya long ko yanta le ka usamba cashier ya ka ke lodgement.
At the council headquarters.
Mulem council headquarters.
It is recorded in serial number.
Ako je serial numbers alkara kar wole nyam.
The order of the receipt.
Order of the receipt.
Tickets.
Anin ticket oni.
License.
License.
Etc.
Anin dolo.
And the amounts received from the public
on the
day of the receipt. Do you see that?
Yes.
Do you record the serial numbers?
Ako for serial numbers only ka ulsa fe la lo fe koto kasbook koto.
What level cash book?
Yes, they are the numbers that I record on the casbook.
To the first page of your recording.
Ako ila kait follow e record ke kait o mena.
What is the date?
Ako date du madam
2020.
2027.
On the second, 2020.
On the 2nd, 2020.
Second of what? Which month?
Ako karijo.
January.
Now, what are the information you have about with respect to the first recording you have?
Ako sa chumari jumare kiji wala chumari jumare soto ila first kaito me alon ko heme record.
Unpresented GTR.
Unpresented GTR.
No, I mean, how do you record information regarding when you collect money from a collector? What do you record there?
Ako sa ne kodo ta lempo ta collector sol bulu ako e kamne sa feji.
No mal lempota collector bu nga collector nga kodo ta vendor sol level.
I don't receive monies from the collectors, but I receive monies from the vendors.
Whoever you collect revenue from, what do you record there?
Ako e kodo ta mo bulu kamne sa feji. Buko to yemne sa feji.
Nga GTR
Adile.
If the amounts are authentic or not?
Kodo nying atata nyama le wala amanta nyama nankamuji.
Nying kas fengo GTR 3 seats led.
The GTR always have 3 seats.
Yes.
Yeah, original solo.
You have the original.
Yeah, duplicate solo.
You have the duplicate.
Sa ne original open.
When you issue the original,
The duplicate wala katara GTR of mobile.
the duplicate will stay or it will be still there at the GTR.
Sa ni tata audit.
When you go to audit,
Wolka jewol to ko nying ay nying GTR kunto anu nying amount wa wala joji.
they will realize that this is the GTR that he issued and this is the exactly amount that was paid to him.
Ha wala akaka wala nyam.
This is how it know what happened.
Should that not be on your book?
Ako fo manyana ila buko manyana tarla ila buko ka.
Or do you hold these GTRs
Ako fo
and go and submit them to the auditor?
ako fo GTR ni ikaw
Separately.
yol samba adim buko me ala ko ibka ke kilingoti GTR ba faye buko ba faye ka ni asa bo auditoria.
No ni bita audit ka GTR ni la kas bugo bele samanyola audit.
When you are going to the audit, you take your GTR together with your cash book to the audit.
That's my point.
Ako akawale ni ka.
It is not separate.
Ako say all for man ke flat do ba faye. Come ko full bele sa.
Aman separate is all the same.
They are not separate, they are all the same.
Exactly. So how can we trace this GTR then?
Ako sa ngo GTR on gela nyaade le bara wala bela wala ko lon na ñoo nyaade le.
GTR be council le nga fo jang in follow don go GTR ka present to the council le.
As I said
And the
earlier,
auditors.
that the GTR are presented to the council to the auditors through council.
But you don't sign off for this, do you?
Ako bare fo ba sign. Ni wadilo.
Only receive mga receive le nimba GTRO receive la lenga sign but nimba dila auditor la with mbuga sign.
As I said earlier on, whenever we are issued with GTR, that's the time we sign.
So,
But whenever we are
sorry,
giving out, very well. Yes.
Mr. Njie, what council is trying to say is that in the audit report, it was stated that you did not present your GTRs. That is what is stated. You have already explained the scenario. These GTRs, when you receive it, don't you sign in the CRBR? And when they are full and you are returning it, don't you sign also in the CRBR?
You can sign near receive and near return.
Yes, you do sign it upon received and upon return.
So, if you don't present them, would it be correct for them to say that you did not present the GTR?
No,
Is it not you presenting the GTRs that will allow them to be able to audit you? Is that what it is?
Yes.
So, in the event where you did not present it, would they be able to audit you?
No.
So, is that not what is stated in your cash book, that you did not present your GTR? Is that not what is stated in your cash book by the auditor?
Yes, that is what the recording says.
So, are you disputing what they have put in your cash book?
No, I deny.
Council, you may please proceed.
I ask you with respect to the, whether you will sign off when you are giving them the GTR. You said you used to give it back to the internal auditor.
Ako ay ni kanong yan ko wato men nan nimbu kol fata ke murundi auditoria fo ka sai.
Handol ka sama auditor le anunya sama jina ibuka sign.
Yes, we used to take them to the auditors, and whenever you take them there, you don't sign.
And you only hand them. How often do you hand these GTRs back?
Ako sign go kake wati jelle la wala wati jumal la ni ka GTR murundi.
And GTR la muru amount times so.
No,
because sometimes akadal 1 month, 2 months.
It doesn't have time. Sometimes it takes you 2 months or 1 month.
How many tickets will you have in a GTR?
Ako sa amunta ko GTR killing mo ticket jalle beje.
100 tickets lebi.
100 tickets.
How long will it take for you to exhaust them?
Ako abe wati jalle tala free all fandi wala ya bang.
1 month or 2 months.
1 month or 2 months.
1 month or 2 months.
Yeah.
Yes.
For you to exhaust them.
Ako free all bang. Yes.
And so, how often do you go for submissions?
Ako sa pro submission on yung kasamba ka di ako ke wari juma.
Submission time wati tala because legi kata marche to lefang 2-3 days imang collection also.
There's no time for submission. It happens that sometimes you go to the market 2 to 3 days, you don't have any.
But it is your evidence that number one, these GTRs, you hand them over all to the auditor.
Ako para wala may ila itadroti kami ni GTR on pay ikabro di yadi auditor.
Only nothing good because you are audited already.
Yes, because it's audited already.
But you don't know who actually audited this particular GTRs.
Ako pari malo cuma clean ni GTR audit.
No, they be follow no, but everybody in the audit cannot go audit.
I cannot tell exactly who, but everybody in the audit used to audit my books.
And whose signature is this on the TR? The cashier's receipt?
Ako sa cashier receipt of MBJ signature wala sign of MBJ jumala tag.
Cashier receipt over.
Yes.
What have you cashier?
It should be the cashier.
Which of the cashiers do you know?
Ako cashier jumala fa alot deba.
And go for cashier at the time you know jumala.
Yes, as I said earlier on, at the time, I can't remember offhand who was it.
How many cashiers were there in 2020?
Ako 2020 kasi jale Njie.
Kasia fulale bijenuna.
I think it was two Cassius there at the time.
What are their names?
Ako hold ni.
Anyway,
Yeah, you have to give us their names because we are going to ask them.
for why right now of the Kasia follow no.
Unless if I go back and I ask about them, but now I cannot remember
Yeah, you have
exactly.
been working for KMC for quite a long time.
Ako better KMC do go.
Is that not the case?
Ako farman ko nyam. Yes, follow.
You pay to these people on a daily basis or every 2 days.
Ikay ko do jo nyunia lungolung wala lungfula kataji.
You know these people.
Ako yelon.
They work with you.
Ako ini do go kire.
Give us their names.
I should know. Ako ini tala ke tollo.
Na yalong duration lo nyi fanan jam fala lo mani. Ani buka interact ko nyama baka. I just go there for payment.
The duration now it has been a long duration and really I don't have more interaction with them. I just go there, pays and go.
Wait for you to give us the names.
Ako assignment kala mbelafla nge batwe told me.
What KMC said in their response with respect to the fraudulent suspected fraud.
KMC wala jabiro kaita diko sobo menketa taparo menketa ji sovita men.
Is that they carried out, that management have carried out an investigation on the matter.
Wala mu alanya tonkolo itoli la investigation o kele ninkuoka.
But it was handled by the CEO and the Director of Finance.
Whatever the CEO and Director of Finance wale nyatonka investigation ola.
With help of the Finance Committee and Establishment and Appointment Committee.
And many maka Financial Committee and Appointment Committee.
Were you called by this individual?
Ako phone you nene command level.
Command KMC.
Never, I have never been called at the KMC.
Do you know anything about the matrix system?
Ako for matrix system ko yo lo ifen na njie level.
No, more long than the phone, more long.
I only know that here. I don't know that.
You don't operate any form of software. You don't have any access to any information or data.
Ako imam masingo tama ina masingo dile kama tama de wala chibaro me alon ko data ko me alon ka bota masingo ba.
Honey.
No.
Right, Madam Chair, that will be all for now. We want the witness to provide his personal bank statement with all the banks that he has been banking with since 2018.
Ako amela ferit men na signing kumu yesa fero ke kana me fo free kantanya na. Wala ila bank statement covering 2018.
We
the phone personal bank statement for
my personal bank statement or
yes.
Yes.
You bank with Trust Bank?
Ako ika bank gani Trust Bank.
ha
Yes.
Is the only bank account you have?
Ako wala account do dama yole sudo.
ha salary account len.
That's current account.
You operate any other bank?
Ako ibang account sa bank dolto.
Honey.
No.
From since 2018.
Kabo 2018.
Ha.
Yes. We applied to tender the statement of account of the witness, Trust Bank. Musa Njie is the witness. The account number is 11065119101 from 2018 to 2024 into evidence as an exhibit.
Ako sa ko kala wala ko kala bank statement dun di commission to ka kesi di jarot.
The current bank account of the witness, Mr. Musa Njie, maintained at Trust Bank, covering the period 2018 to 2024, is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit, and it's marked as LBC/MN/KMC/005.
As the commission, please. Madam Chairperson, we intend to stop here for now, unless there are questions from the commissioners. We intend to call the internal auditor, the cashier, and the finance director in relation to this alleged investigation. The management responded to the auditor, saying that they had instituted an investigation team to look into this matter. And they highlighted in their response that there are minutes of this investigation as well.
Very well. Let me just ask him a few questions. Now, Mr. Njie.
Yes, ma'am.
You said you are the market master currently. You as the market master for Marsengelo. Is that so?
Yes.
I'm going to market master, but right now I don't have a Marsengelo.
And Latrikunda Jama.
Yes.
And Latrikunda Jama.
Now, you have indicated in your statement. You have 45 canteens. These are permanent structures, right?
Yes, ma'am. At Marsengelo.
Yes. And at Manja, you have 27.
Yes, ma'am.
And at Latrikunda Jaman, you have 20.
Yes.
So please provide us with the register the register you are keeping to show us the permanent structures, temporal structures.
Permanent structures permanent and temporal.
So I have only permanent structures.
Very well.
Sorry?
I only have permanent structures.
So in these areas where you have identified the number of canteens that are there, yes, there are no temporal structures.
No.
Now provide us with the register for these areas that you are covering.
I think I give it to the manager, but I will bring it.
You said what?
I submit it to the manager.
To the
manager?
Which manager?
Mudu Njie.
Yes, we are ordering you to provide us with your register.
Yes, that was what I said.
Yes.
I will bring it, inshallah.
Yes, so please bring it tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
And you told the commission earlier that there are times that you go for collection 2-3 days, you don't collect any revenue.
Yes, ma'am.
So and you've also further said that there are no temporal structures in the market.
Yes, ma'am.
But you have daily collections, correct? You make daily collections.
No, I made only monthly collections.
Only monthly collections.
Yes, ma'am.
So are there in these markets, are there no daily collecting revenue, or they are just
somebody is responsible for them?
Somebody is responsible for them.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I wanted that clarification.
Okay.
Now tell us, for this 45 canteens, how much do you collect as revenue monthly?
Monthly, it depends.
Yes, I'm asking you to give an estimation, because perhaps we understand that not all the 45 canteens pay exactly at the end of the month. So, but generally, how much do you collect as total in revenue?
Sometimes you collect monthly 15,000.
How much is the rate per month?
At the time, $200 is 300.
I'm talking about now.
2024 is 500.
So
order 750.
So please give us an information of these canteens and how much you charge per one, and if there are any areas, how much is the totality of areas from, you said you were promoted in 2019. So give us the sum total of.
I was promoted 2020.
2020 as
2021.
2021.
Yes.
Oh, okay. This is you as market master was for daily collection from 2018 to 2019, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now give us the totality of your collections from 2021 to 2023 as of 31st of January.
2024, right?
No. Yes, 2023.
Okay.
Up to 2023 as of 31st of January.
Okay.
Did you understand what I said?
If I got you right, from 2023, yeah.
No. When were you market master?
Confirm market master 2021.
Yes, I said from 2021.
Okay, ma'am.
You have given us a data for Marsengelo, Manjai, and Lajikunda. You've given us totality of numbers of canteens that are provided for.
Yeah.
So that is the information that I want you to provide for us. The revenues you have collected from 2021, what is in arrears and what you have collected. You have the data, not so? You have the information, not so? Because you have a list of the people that have paid and the ones that did not pay, and what accumulated as arrears, and what is the revenue you collected over this period of time.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Mr. Njie. We will call you back when you bring the documents that we have requested. For today, we are discharged, and thank you for coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Can you use the mic? Welcome to this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters. What is your religion? Mr. Boyan, can you help him? What is your religion? I mean, what is your religion?
Ako muna mila dinoti. Islam.
In which language do you wish to make your testimony?
Ako mela sa diam na Kanjumara. Mandinga, please.
Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation?
Ako sign ikeji ne kala fwebe kalila Quran la bang fo. Yes, I'm ready to take oath.
Madam Chair, the witness wishes to swear by the Holy Quran.
Sign amoto bulubala.
And make sure you speak into the mic.
Ako diam mic wato. Mic okay data kure diam oli la moy.
I
Afonte.
I Alagie Jaiteh, do swear that I'll speak the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Thank you. You may be kindly seated. Madam Chair, the witness is sworn. I have the honor to have over the witness to you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jaiteh.
Ako kotong ako tiliulo be nyane.
Yeah, till we
Fine. Use the
Welcome and thank you for coming.
ako an sai be sim like kanja ya boy.
Yeah, baraka baka.
Thank you.
Council, can you proceed?
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson. With the chair's permission, I would allow the Assistant Counsel to lead the witness.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Abe kotong ako tiliulo be ni.
Yeah, till we
Fine.
Could you kindly tell the commission your names?
Ako ito ni kotong
The entong Alagie Jaiteh.
Alagie Jaiteh are my names.
Or what is your address?
Ako be sabat remito.
Yeah, original Jara, but best in Busimba.
I'm from Jara, but a resident of Busumbala.
Do you still work for Carnifing Municipal Council?
Ako fohan charge be do ko ke Carnifing Municipal Council.
Yeah, some do bola.
Very well, yes.
Since when did you join Carnifing Municipal?
Ako wate jumale do ko dati je wala wate jumale ta do ko la je.
Anything October 1st, 2019.
1st of October 2019.
Do you have your appointment letter?
Ako la appointment letter be bulle ko.
No, na appointment letter na.
I yeah, so do ko ma so do.
Nga so la so.
Yes, I do have one, but I unfortunate I could not come along with it.
Thank you. Were you confirmed?
Ako a confirmation or do you akele ba?
Yes, young confirm.
Yes, I was confirmed.
Do you have that letter as well?
Ako be bulle jamba.
No, for be sure.
Yes, I got it at home. Unfortunate.
Okay, you can note it down that you should bring both the appointment and confirmation letter tomorrow when you're coming.
Ako sa me ben kala ibe ol sa fela africana ngina.
No,
Iba jina sama ye ni ka fengo fela ni bi na ina.
no problem.
Now, do you remember making a statement with the investigators of this commission?
For hakilo ba kan ko inene kala moldi kame for statement investigation only.
Hakilo ba.
Yes, I do.
Can you read?
Ako ka to karan mo lebo.
All right.
Kay to ka ni mo ni safero ke ka karan no ya suti.
Kaito nyi.
Baba?
Yes.
Jube bang safero ni kay to be fembe safero kay to kala ka karan na ya suti.
Hansa karano,
Ka
yes.
safero fanan ke no ne. Safero
Yeah.
ka fen safe.
This suffer okay no, but
Yes, I do all right, but
Okay, the registrar will give you your statement that you made with the investigators.
apa sa una ni ari na kenyi ni kawala ifamala statement be ole dile la ya jube for wala for wote.
yeah, okay.
Is that the statement you made with the investigators?
Ajube ku. Ako fo ni nem statement de men di la no.
Yeah.
Men di statement no.
Yeah, not copy in Bembule.
Yes, I do even have my copy.
I understand you have a copy, but confirm that original if it's all the same and if you still go
The witness statement dated the 8th of July 2024 is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit and marked as LBC/AG/KMC/001.
Ako sa ifang oras statement o ifang eme suri ko itale mo ide ko kele ba nila commission to kake sidi jarori.
No problem.
Thank you.
Ask the commission, please. Mr. Njie, could you tell us in 2019 when you were appointed by KMC, what was your role?
Ako sa ifang oras ako no mole ba ri ko edita do ko la 2019. Ako kabiri edita do ko la ka do ko ila do ko minute no.
Dogo mo security.
I was a security.
Security for and for where?
Ako security jumala security ani mindole.
KMC Municipal Police.
KMC Municipal Police. KMP.
KMC itself.
Ako KMC fang. Yes.
Okay. How were you securing? You stated in your statement that you were securing the properties as well. So which of the properties were you securing?
Ako bayri kabiring ifang o statement o di ya fone ko ifaketa security di mi along ko ka palaso fanan security memo property ti. Ako ikaw o security nyadi le.
Council la fengal mi ko ebe under council le ngola take care.
The properties I mean is the properties on the council therein. That's what I normally take care.
Clear. You also stated in your statement that you were redeployed at some point. So what year were you redeployed?
Ako inata fole ko atara fo wati le inata kela palaso nyu fali. Ako wati juma lawo kita.
Yalang kabrin boda training school.
From the training school,
Impose Latrikunda zone.
I was at the Latrikunda zone.
So Latrikunda zone 6 months of the day, not transfer Serakunda car park.
But I served there less than 6 months. Then I was transferred to Serakunda car park.
Okay, so when you were at these zones or at the car parks, what was your duty? What exactly were you doing?
Ako kabiri be car park mune mo ifamala do bodi.
And it's a security lam.
Still I'm a security.
Take care.
Just to take care of the properties.
Right. So do you have your redeployment letter as an official driver to the police commission?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have your redeployment letter as a driver to the police commissioner? Council police commissioner.
Ye letter also tell me I can ko ike kapo driving ya kana office pre commissioner's office.
No.
No.
But eventually you were made a driver to the police commission, council police commissioner, right?
Ako amunta ko after inate ele mandika ke driver di Canaving municipal police. Yes.
Now, could you remember when was this?
Ako foi sa ako plan ni wato kita ni kita wari juma.
2023 2024.
This was last year, 2023, 2024. This year.
And you were orally informed, or you were giving a letter?
Ako puro ye ke oti ye kibarole foi bang foi letter se fe atin.
No, emang letter safanya.
No, I was not written.
Okay. Now, do you know Mr. Modu Njie?
Ako coming from Mr. Modu Njie.
The current market manager.
Memu I remember market manager. Yes, I do.
Since when do you know this Mr. Modu Njie?
Ako yung Mr. Modu Njie ko alone yalo wati juma. When I came to council, I knew him.
That's in 2019.
Ako kita 2019. Yes.
Could you explain how do you know him?
Ako foi ba for la mole na nyolo nyati la wala yalo nyati.
And so
yes, I can do explain.
Please go on.
Ako isa explain no.
Okay, Modu Njie.
They said Modu Njie.
Kabrimbe Serakunda, how to call it, Latrikunda zone.
Since I was at the Latrikunda zone.
All right.
Latrikunda after another transfer and car park Serakunda.
Mr. Njie, please speak into the mic and louder, please. I cannot.
Sorry,
From Latrikunda, I was moved to Serakunda. As I said, I spent there less than 6 months.
Okay, Kabrinada car park.
When I came to the car park, Serakunda.
Okay, sometime Katarana office le.
It sometimes happened that I am in our office.
Modunja can call.
He used to call me.
Because our number is the market manager.
Because I have his number. He is the market manager at Serakunda.
Okay.
Whenever he called me, he asked me my whereabouts.
Office.
I used to say I am in my office.
Ako niya go, okay, nana office.
He used to order to say, okay, come to my office.
Nindara la office.
Whenever I went to his office,
Ako niya go, neta in deposit niya ng bank.
he used to send me to say, go and deposit this to me at bank.
What
For me.
exactly are you to deposit?
Ako come to deposit
Kodo.
money.
Okay. Since when did you start doing this?
Ako
That
kabiri
back
wate
in
jumale.
2019?
Yen yin dati kake kabiri in 2019 number.
No, not 29. I'm gonna get 2019.
No, not 2019.
When exactly did
Ako
you
wate
start?
jumale kita
I
exact.
start that 2021.
It started at 2021.
Okay, that's
Uh-huh.
so this will be done during working hours.
Ako nyinga kidogo wato leo.
Ha, dogo watu.
Yes, during working hours.
So normally how much will he give you to go and deposit into the bank?
Ako jama ka jelle dina ka ven for even somebody back.
Sometimes I got 10,000 dinner.
Sometimes he gave me 10,000.
Sometimes how much?
Sometimes more than that.
Sometimes more than that.
More than that. Can you at least say an amount if you can remember?
Ako ni hakilo baka ni ko more than that is for to along.
Sometimes 10,000, sometimes 20,000.
Sometimes 10,000, sometimes 20,000.
Is there any time it's more than 20,000?
Ako for what nila sa meta with 20,000.
Ha, certainly.
Yes, it happens.
Mto remember no.
I cannot remember, but it happens.
That's okay. So which bank do you deposit these monies?
Ako yung ko doon kasa ko banko jumalto.
Trust bank.
Trust bank.
And do you have the Trust Bank account number?
Ako trust bank account number we will leave. Ako do dila.
Morinjala account number. I mean dinangka deposit for.
The account number he used to give me, that's the one I used to deposit the monies to.
Yes, the account number Mr. Njie gave you to go and deposit into the account. So do you know if that account number is his personal account or council account?
Ako wa number kami bila ikasaba ako fo afangola number lembang fo cancel la number so.
Modu Enja wala babala.
The account's name is Modu Njie and the account number is with me here.
Okay, could you provide us with the account number?
Ako phone sa suto no ibulle.
10
Yes.
10
Okay.
23
Uh-huh.
32
Yes.
85
Yes.
01.
Okay, that's the same account number written on your statement.
Yes, ma'am.
You can please, can I have it? And where did you get it from?
Ako after photo tools in sort no lebang and follow yen in sort of mentole.
Kapit nata kapit nata jang
When I came
investigation nata jang investigation yen na copy minti na copy nyi wala nyenti.
when I was called at the investigators and I was issued with a copy. This is the very copy
Okay.
I was issued with.
Okay, that's fine. So where do you have the account number written? That's my question.
Ako account number ya sa mentole.
Monja na ben kila account number is sapenya paper kono la inki ngara ko do nyinte.
Whenever he is sending me to the bank to deposit monies, he do write the account numbers where I am to deposit these monies.
Okay. I've seen on your statement there is an attachment.
Ako ay kahit ila statement to kahit don't be me ako mang statement no baro fana statement no ba. Yes.
It says Alagie Jaiteh and he has dates and amounts that were written on the side.
Ako ne ajube itol Alagie tole bi Alagie Jaiteh and fana nangamol bi me ko ya safe abala.
With the total sum written $310,000.
Ako wala mo nangamo be bi wala mu wili cheme saba wili tap.
Ha kabiringo deposit nyinge form parela.
After depositing the monies,
the total ego kodo be kafurung is 310. Inko ego yes.
Yes.
Sasino.
They said all the monies or the deposits added together is equivalent to 310. I said yes, it might be 1,000. It might be possible.
Who said that?
Investigation in the office or
at the office of the investigation, I was told that.
Now my question is, where did you get these recordings?
Ako sa akin ala ni karo benti wala mun yung kaitol safero bela yo soto mitole.
Nata jana yenyin ka jana janim bimbinaja.
As I said, I came earlier on here to the investigators where I was asked and told, and this number were given to me by them.
And you submitted the account number to the investigators as well.
Ako number niya ya obedi investigation. Yes.
So this continued happening till when?
Ako sa kapirin yung kumasa data na for ati jumaka ki.
I understand.
Ako kilare ya
For how long? For how long did this happen?
Ako
Has it been going on?
dati kete ki. Lumena start kete ki wala karo mena wala sangol mena. Ako fo wati juma ajam
started 2021 kara 2023
started
Serakunda under main office.
As in
it started from 2021 up to 2023 when I redeployed to the main office.
But among every day in Karapang.
It doesn't mean that every day I go to the bank.
So could you tell us how many times in a week, if you can remember?
Ako fo isa fo no moli look ngolok akakasinya jelly. Not
don't remember now.
No, I cannot remember that.
That's fine. Unless Madam Chair have a question for this witness, or any of the commissioners.
Mr. Mr. Jaiteh. What is your current work designation?
Ako say ila doku ikamune doku say right now. Ibuna mila doku di.
Sign I'm council the answer. I'm driving side the answer.
I'm still at the council, but now I am on the driving side.
Now, you have indicated that you were deployed to the main office as the official driver of the police commissioner, correct?
Ako yung nefa ko inati murundi deploy kanifing main office sa keta police wala driver.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Now, you said you also told the commission that you were depositing money for Mr. Dodou Badjie up to 2023.
Ako nga mara ni nekira di awadi ko ibe nung modu keki nung kakono deposit ay covering 2021 for 2023.
Is it?
Ningo 2021. Ba amang every day in Karapang.
Yes, as I said.
You understand that?
Ako nga ufaham
What I want to confirm is that intermittent deposits of money into Mr. Dodou Badjie's account. 2021. Is it up to today as we speak?
Todo mi alo kake ki kata deposit ay wala kala na bank. Ako amunta ko for harisan weke kan ba?
Ani amount sort of answer.
No, it doesn't happen.
What time on Serakunda?
At that time, as I said, I was on the car park in Serakunda.
So where are you right now?
Ako sabi mi dole.
Main office.
Main office, KMC.
So in the documents that we have seen,
ako sa kahit pala nga menje
the last time you deposited in Mr. Dodou Badjie's account,
ako sila pa mami along ko ay kipon ka ko landa
was the 31st of January 2023.
Ako wala mo January karo tilit tansa ba aning kilik
and the amount was $10,000.
Ando nanga mo even sa mo sila pa wala mo bilitak. I agree.
So how were you doing your official duty as driver to police commissioner and also depositing monies for Mr. Dodou Badjie, market master in Serakunda?
Ako kanya dile ite mo drive waleti andika commissioner na drive. Bara ito na take mo tibi ako Dodou Badjie akete ki pure ko do deposit ay.
Coming for a time on monkey drive 40.
As I said before or earlier on, at that time on the point, I was not a driver. I was in security, but I was at the
car park, not council, not a drive for the world.
I was a security at Serakunda car park. Then from there, I was redeployed to Kanifing, where I am a driver now.
Now, the registrar, can you please give him? No, let me just put it this way. Just hang on a minute. I have told you that the last time you deposited in Mr. Njie's account was the 31st of January 2023. And I asked you whether that was correct. You said, yes, that was correct.
Correct.
In 2023, you were not a driver to the police commissioner?
Ako 31st of January 2023. For what to market driver to follow Jana main office.
Honey.
No.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that. So now my other question, Mr. Jaiteh, is what business is Mr. Njie doing?
Ako saan alam niyo kaya ko fulan niya wala Mr. Njie ako man business lagi.
Mon Njie mon business longable ngami longable wala taxi fula damat.
All I know, I don't know other businesses, but all I know he had 2 taxis.
Thank you.
Apa
And
Mr. Njie,
Yes, ma.
I should proceed.
yes, proceed.
Thank you. Mr. Njie, now, were you depositing these monies for Mr. Njie for free? How much has it been given you?
Ako sa Mr. Njie na ke ki ye kodo sapa. Ako jelle ka ki tati je.
Buka fendi na.
He used to give me nine.
Not even transport.
Ako hani fare afanga hani paso afanga dila.
No, what time mbe car park from black market kata trust bank mbe black market pala jisera kuna aje.
That was as I said, I was at Serekunda car park. So from the black market to the trust bank opposite to the black.
So he takes these monies from the revenues collected and give it to you for you to go and deposit.
Ako sa muta ko kodo na mo la kodo wala lepo la kodo mol ka menjo ati ya ako le dila ba kita ya sa ya la dai.
Non to phone ele ko le
I have no idea about that. I can't tell.
That's fine, but it's during working hours.
Ako baraka ke do ko adolti. Yes.
Okay. So, Mr. Njie, are you servicing any loan apart from 1/6?
Ako na mang 1/6 man sa kamen dodo. Ako fo inene julo soro le bang wala julo ta kanifing wala blado.
Namange bank di nga julo tawal. O from year before last 25,000 loan.
Only at the bank where I applied for the loan and it was 25,000 a year before last.
Okay. Do you have a car?
Ako moto be wuli.
Moro mantaram.
No, I don't have.
Do you have any business?
Ako fo ika business loan soro.
Mandra hani business la namange KMC do good.
I don't have any business apart from my work at KFC.
Yeah. Madam Chair, that will be all for this witness, except Madam Chair or any of the commissioners have any question for this witness.
No, you don't have any. Mr. Njie,
Yes, ma.
thank you so much for coming.
Thank you too.
Mr. Njie, just one last question. You seem to know Mr. Njie very well, right? I said you seem to know, based on what you have in your witness statement, you seem to know Mr. Njie very well, right?
Ako Mr. Njie ya long back le bakori.
No, kabri na KMC la ngalo.
When I came to KMC, that was the time I knew.
Do you know how much he generates from the taxes, the two taxes that are running for him?
Ako fo isalon no le ala taxi flow wal ka jalle di ala wala ka jalle soto yulu.
Ala ko to nyanto phone ole.
Yeah, I can't tell.
Thank you so much, Mr. Njie.
Thank you.
Yes, is that all? Lead counsel?
Hi. Yes. That's all for now. I've asked the register to tell the witness to wait for me outside.
All right.
Okay.
So, Mr. Njie, you are hereby discharged. If we need you to come back to clarify on any issue, we will let you know.
I'm not getting.
Ako baraka bagay ako ning komisyon sulat ila ibe man lali wala iba fliyan niya.
Thank you very much, ma.
You are discharged.
Ako baraka bagay.
Abarakaba. Thank you very much.
Is there any other witness?
That is all for today.
Thank you so much. We may rise.
Thank you.